I'm happy to announce that the rest of December will be free for everyone to join the VIP group, and please let me explain to you. The offer says that the rest of December will be free for all, meaning if you join, for example, today at 16th of December, your membership will be activated only starting from 1st of January. It will never be activated before that. If you join on 20th of December, your membership will also be activated on 1st of January. So the point of this offer is you have to join right now and pay the fees, and after that your membership will starting from 1st of January. So you will actually enjoy the signals for the rest of December for free without paying for it. That is really the great offer that we're having for December. I think it's really one of the best offers that we have ever had here. And of course, allow me to share with you guys the results of our signals. We have done really so well this week with more than 755 pips of profit. The signal is right in front of you. As you can see, guys, the losses are very small and very limited. However, the profits are way bigger than the losses, and as you can see, as a result, we have ended the week with 755 pips of profit, despite to what they say about December being a tough month and a brutal month to the traders. But thankfully in Xtreme Trader we have more than 7 years in experience in sending signals, and as you can see also, if you have aimed take profit number 1 alone, ignoring take profit number 2 and 3, you would have ended up this week with at least 155 pips of profit. So again, guys, even in December, Xtreme Trader VIP Signals is doing so well, and I'm so proud of our results. So of course, if you wish to join Xtreme Trader Forex Signals group, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below of this video. Contact them today and hopefully we will see you there. Of course, before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. And I'm also happy to say that not only the VIP signals did well, even my signals here on YouTube did even better. As you can see, EURUSD signal from the late week analysis video has also been activated right here, exactly at the buy with a zero drawdown from 1.08789, and it has went all the way to the take profit level, making at least 83 pips of profit and a total of 128 pips. So another great signal, and for that, please again don't forget to hit the like button and share with us your experience with this signal in the comments. Anyway, what's next now with the EURUSD? Now, as you can see, it's important to highlight that the take profit level has already been hit, and now as a result on the 4-hour time frame we're having here a triple top pattern. So most likely now we have to consider selling the EURUSD. The dollar has lost a lot of strength recently with the news about the federal rates, and right now it's making a correction. So therefore, in my opinion, the EURUSD, my friends, will most likely gonna continue to fall till it reach this level of exactly right here, this level of a strong key support at 1.08273. Most likely the EURUSD is going toward that level of a previous support right here to retest that level to gain some liquidity before it actually might make a pullback, or it might even continue the fall. We cannot be sure until a final price action is confirmed. Moving to the weekly chart right now, we can notice right here, of course, that we are having a strong real level of a resistance that has indeed been respected repeatedly. Now, the market right now is facing a lot of pressure right here, and eventually what we are having right here is a real level of a resistance. Meanwhile, we are having here one fake breakout from that level. The market has actually tricked us, and we thought that it will make here a bullish continuation in the bullish movement, but of course that didn't happen, and instead the market just kept falling down back in June. And then recently in December, the market has actually made 2 attempts to break out from that level of resistance and has failed. So therefore, we can say that most likely the next candle on the weekly chart will be actually a red candle and will continue the fall, as I said before, to reach at least this level of a support, or even this support right here at 1.06340. So let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now, based on the 4-hour time frame, it's important to highlight that we're having here Fibonacci retracement, and we can actually expect a pullback to happen till the market reach the previous level of a resistance right here, exactly at 1.09242. We can expect a drawdown for a few pips until the market reach 23.6 Fibonacci retracement, a drawdown of about 15 pips only. But however, why are we going to sell right here? Because we are having here the nearest key resistance level, and as we can see, it was also a strong key support level as well. So this is right here the real level of the resistance. This one right here is a fake breakout and another fake breakout and another fake breakout. So therefore, the real level of a resistance lies exactly right here at 1.09242. That's going to be the level where we can expect to sell this pair, since we're having here also a previous level of a support, and therefore on the Monday morning at the opening of the market, we can actually expect a pullback to happen, and then we will be selling the EURUSD right here, aiming this level of a support at 1.08273. However, the take profit level shouldn't be the safe zone shouldn't be ranging higher than this level of a previous resistance as well at 1.09596, ranging for about 35 pips. Actually, we can make it even a little bit higher, ranging for about 40 pips, and take profit level of 97 pips. Moving now to the pound USD. Pound USD has also been a great signal from the late week analysis, and as you can see, the reversal has occurred exactly at the buy level, and it went straight shooting up all the way right here till it hit the take profit level, making not less than 101 pips of profit and total of 180 pips of profit. Again, I'm happy for everyone who have taken this signal. Again, please share with us your experience with this signal, and don't forget to hit the like button. Anyway, what happened now after reaching the take profit level for the pound USD? Moving now to the weekly chart. Now again, on the weekly chart, we are seeing something very similar to the EURUSD. Right here, we do have, of course, a real level of a resistance, as we can see, right here exactly at the bracket of 1.27755, and also the the pound USD has actually respected that level of a real resistance. Therefore, we can expect now a next candle to be another bearish candle, and of course, guys, based on the weekly chart, and most likely the target will be right here, the nearest level of the support of the new resistance. So moving now to the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, we can notice a strong bearish movement right here happening on the pound USD. So therefore, I would like to highlight that this is going to be our take profit level. However, right now, if we move to the 4-hour time frame, of course, we're having here a strong real level of a resistance, as you can see exactly right here at 1.27109. Now, since we're actually right now on a support level, as you can see, this was in the past, of course, a support, which has been a resistance. So now we can expect a pullback to happen at the market opening on Monday morning, and we can expect a pullback to happen until the market reach this level of a real resistance, where it will be actually a good idea to sell the pound USD, aiming at least this level of a previous level of a key support at 1.25155. Now, of course, it's important to highlight that also we're having here a broken level of a resistance trend line. Let me just show it to you. Right here, of course, we do have right here, of course, a broken level of a resistance trend line. So therefore, we can expect a pullback to happen instantly. But however, I doubt if the market will continue the rise after this breakout happened. Why? Because again, on the weekly chart, we are right now on a resistance area, and also the market actually is retesting a broken level of a support trend line, as we can see right here. So based on the weekly chart, also we're having here a support trend line which has been recently broken out from, and the market has just retested that level. So all in all, we will be looking to sell the pound USD exactly after it makes a pullback for around 40 pips, aiming at least 195 pips. That's not really a realistic signal. Let me just change the take profit level to be right here at the nearest level of a resistance to our entry and a nearest support as well. So therefore, we will actually be aiming at least 126 pips profit from this signal, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the closing price of the candle right here on the resistance at 1.27705, ranging for about 60 pips against 125 pips of profit. Let's now move to the AUD USD. Look at that. That's amazing. That's amazing. That was really one fantastic signal from the late week analysis video. And again, guys, please don't make me feel like I'm a cut out here. Just please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And again, let us know what do you think about these signals. I don't know if there is any other YouTuber who provides these amazing signals and these so accurate entries. Maybe there is. I don't know. I'm not bragging about myself. I'm just really proud of my work. However, Let's now see what we can do next with the AUDUSD. So let me just now delete the old signal. And now let's highlight that based on the weekly chart, the EURUSD right now, sorry, the AUDUSD, I mean, is actually facing right here a real level of a resistance, as we can see exactly right here. So the market actually, guys, is reversing right now upon the pressure from the real level of a resistance happened right here exactly at 0.67196. So that means that we have to consider selling the market for the upcoming week. And also right here, we do have, of course, based on the weekly chart, also a broken level of a support trend line, as you can see. Now the market is approaching the same level to retest that level of a broken support trend line. Most likely it will be creating here, of course, a new resistance trend line. So therefore, moving now to the daily chart. Now, based on the daily chart, I would like to use the Fibonacci retracement right here, as you can see, and check this out. The market has reversed exactly at Fibonacci 50, where exactly I have drawn my line right here. So that means that based on the daily chart, we can expect a pullback to happen until the market reach the level of the nearest support right here, exactly at Fibonacci 38.2. And of course, this is gonna be, of course, our entry, guys. We will be selling the market right here exactly at the highest level of a resistance after it rises to another 20 pips. Of course, we cannot sell the AUDUSD anymore after retesting the broken level of a support right here and also failing to break out from that level of a resistance. The bearish movement seems stronger right here, and most likely we have to consider selling the AUDUSD, considering also that we are having here a resistance trend line, as you can see right here, exactly just like that. Let me just be more accurate. Exactly. So right now, we do have right here a resistance trend line that has been just broken out from with that bullish breakout candle. Now, after failing to break out from the real level of a resistance right here at Fibonacci 50, it most likely gonna make a pullback right here to retest the same level of a previous key support zone right here at 0.66161. That's going to be our next entry. Until then, we will be looking to sell the AUDUSD until it reached that level of a previous support and the previous level of a key resistance trend line. And once the market reaches this level, we will immediately buy the pair, hoping from it to continue the rise. So in other words, we are actually going to trade the pullback on the AUDUSD, aiming at least 103 pips of profit and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance right here at 0.67864, ranging for about 60 pips and take profit level of 106 pips. And let's now move to the USDCAD. USDCAD was also a good signal, but unfortunately it hasn't been activated and it just went all the way right here to the take profit level. But now what's next with the USDCAD? Well, for a starter, if we go to the weekly chart right now, we can notice that the market actually, guys, facing right here a strong real level of a support trend line, and seems like the candle barely was able to close below that level of a support trend line, also highlighting that we are right now actually approaching 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, and as you can see, the candle has barely been closed below that level of Fibonacci. Most likely right now we have to consider buying the USDCAD after reaching the absolutely strongest level of a key support right here, exactly, let me just delete this one, exactly right there at 1.33206. After falling to another 58 pips maybe, we have to consider buying this pair. I doubt if the USDCAD will actually be able to simply ignore or break out from that level of a key support zone right here. So therefore, we have to consider buying the pair exactly on that level of a support and waiting for the market to make a pullback and then continue the rise for another 273 pips. So moving now to the daily chart to see to find exactly our entry. Now, if I'm not mistaken, and hopefully I'm not, right here exactly, 1.33, actually 33348. That was, of course, right here, my friends, a strong real level of the support. As you can see, it was also right here. Let me just show it to you. So it was right here a real level of a support, then fake breakout number 1, 2, 3, of course. And now the market is approaching the same level of a strong real level of a support, and most likely it will be respecting it. Keep in mind that there was also one attempt of a resistance only, and then the market instantly broke out from that level, indicates, of course, a pressure from the buyers, and they are actually going to take the market to continue the rise. If I'm not mistaken, we're having here also a real level of a resistance trend line, and check this out. Fantastic. Yeah, I did not check this before recording, I just saw it right now. So right here we do have a resistance trend line, as you can see, which has been respected repeatedly. It became here a support trend line number 1, 2, and finally 3 and 4. And most likely, since we are actually looking for a strong bullish movement and a strong key support zone right here, we can expect from the market to actually respect the same level as a new support trend line plus a horizontal support as well. So therefore, a lot of pressure on the USD CAD at 1.33348. So therefore, let's consider buying the USD CAD exactly after it fall to another 45 pips, and aiming, of course, the nearest level of a real support at 1.34702, aiming at least 136 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the bottom of the support right here at 1.32648, ranging for about 65 pips. Moving now to the USD CAD. Sorry, USD CHF. USD CHF was also another fantastic and a perfect signal from the late week analysis. As you can see, it has reversed exactly at the given price of the sell at 0.87196, and it has went all the way right here for about 90 pips before reversing back close to our entry. Now, can we continue selling this pair? The answer most likely, guys, is no. This signal has actually been activated, but it actually reversed before reaching the take profit level by 64 pips. So therefore, I don't think it's going to be safe right now to sell the USD CHF anymore. And let me just explain to you why. Right here, we do have, of course, a real level of a support, as you can see, which indeed has been respected. So the market has actually made an attempt to break out from that level of a support, but by the end of the day, this candle has closed actually as with a long tail at the bottom, and the next candle has been blue candle. So that means that the market most likely will continue the rise till it reach at least the nearest level of a resistance right here at 0.87665. That's most likely is going to be the best level to sell the USD CHF again toward that level of a previous real level of a support at 0.85592. But until then, let's consider buying the USD CHF, considering also that we had right here, of course, a real level of a support. Let me just be more accurate, exactly like that. This has been, my friends, a real level of the support, and this was, of course, like a fake breakout candle. However, the candle after has appeared to be a blue one, and it has closed above the support at 0.86907. So again, we will be considering buying the USD CHF. And also right here, we do have, of course, another real level of a support trend line, which has been respected repeatedly, as we can see. Many attempts of a support trend line based on the daily chart has indeed been respected. So if we clone this line right here, just like that, we can see that we're having here a channel, and right now that level of a nearest resistance trend line has already been respected, and then the USD CHF will continue the rise till it reach this level of a resistance trend line, and after that it most likely gonna continue the fall and break out from that channel toward this level of a support. So therefore, buying the USD CHF for the upcoming week. Moving now to the 4-hour time frame. Now, most likely based on the price action right here that we are having, I would highly recommend to buy the USD CHF exactly right here at this level of a real support at 0.86791, which was, of course, the nearest level of a support to that bullish breakout candle. And looking right here, we are having also a pin bar has appeared right here, so meaning we already have a support number 1. So therefore, since we're having right here a resistance level, we can actually expect a pullback to happen at the opening of the market on Monday, and then buy the USD CHF exactly right here at the same level of that support. Let's now highlight that we have to wait for the market to fall to another 23 pips before we can continue buying it, targeting at least the highest level of a real resistance at 0.88094, aiming at least 130 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the bottom of the support at 0.86255, ranging for about 52 pips only. And moving right now to the NZD USD, which actually has been activated already. As you can see right here, the market, my friends, has been ranging on our entry for several days. However, This is of course from our last late week analysis video. And before we continue, again a reminder, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. However, in my opinion, NZD USD remains the same. I don't think anything has been changed on this signal. It has been activated based on the daily chart, and for our time frame we are having here a previous level of a resistance which is now becoming a support. So therefore I would actually assume that the NZD USD signal should be remaining the same and nothing to be changed about this signal. Let's now move to the gold. Now gold, my friends, actually I have sent a deal of the day to buy the gold exactly at this price at 2020.31. The only problem is this actually has been activated only few minutes before, actually just like 1 hour before closing the market on Friday night, and that's in my opinion the worst time at all for this signal to be activated. As you can see, the signal has already reached the buy area, and then after like 3 hours it has closed in the market. So can we continue this signal? Well, the answer is yes, but we have to be more careful right now. As you can see, the gold, my friends, has fallen all the way right here to reach the absolutely lowest level of a real support at 2015.39. That was of course the level where the market has already been reversing from. So therefore I would still recommend to buy the gold exactly at that level. Nothing has been changed, the signal remains the same. We will be looking for scalping the gold exactly right here. Take profit level must be changed right now to be right here at the highest level of a resistance, exactly right here at 2047. So let me just adjust the entry to be at 2047.25, keeping the same safe zone, which is going to be also a stop loss right here at 2003.16. So I think the signal of the gold should be actually good. Nothing has been changed. Right now we are having already here a support number 1. Let's wait for the market to fall again to create the second attempt of the support. Now of course, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates or notifications about this gold signal. I will watch it carefully, and if I have noticed any price action that going against our direction, I will help and assist you by updating you on this channel Telegram, by Telegram channel, sorry, to close the signal instantly before it reach the stop loss, or even I might actually tell you to close it in profit before it reach the take profit level. Just if I have noticed any price action that might actually change the direction of these signals. So again, my friends, don't miss our great offer to join the VIP group of Telegram for a free for the month of December. But of course, you have to finish the registration, and your membership will be activated only starting from January 1st. However, until end of December, your membership will remain free. But again, it will be activated on 1st of January. So meaning you have to actually finish the payments and the paying the fees, of course, to join the VIP group right now. And your members, and you can actually enjoy the rest of the December for free. So anyway, my friends, I will see you soon on another deal of the day video. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.